gamers and everyone that's out there. If you haven't watched my Mortal Kombat review that I just did around a couple minutes ago, I said at the last review I'm going to be doing another review right now of a game from Nintendo 64. No, it's not Nintendo 64, but it's a game that I loved as a kid. They made two of them, and it involves a bird and a bear. Yes, you better believe it, Banjo Kazooie. That was always a game that I liked as a kid. I still have the Nintendo. I'm going to say I'm old-fashioned in that way. I still like my old stuff, because it seems to work a lot better. But yeah, I'm going to play Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts on a 360. Let's do it right now. Okay, let me go turn off the lights again, guys. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Banjo Kazooie Nuts and Bolts for the 360. And yes, I did have to actually play, I didn't even play anything yet on this. Well, I have, but in the last couple of years I have not. But yeah, Banjo Kazooie was always a good game for me. Start new game. So yeah, I have no idea even what's gonna happen, but I only know a few things about this because I did play a lot of it like a couple of years ago, but I haven't played much of it in the last couple of years. So this is almost a brand new game to me. Sorry about that, guys. And yes, so I still have my phone. I still have my phone. I do not have, I still do not have my, thing yet. Okay, they're showing you things about the first game. Okay. Banjo Tooie, I have that one too. Okay. That was Banjo Tooie. And I guess this is the third Banjo. Okay. Radio's going off. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so as you see, right... Oh, what the heck? Banjo's eating pizza and listening to the radio that's jumping around. The bird is playing... He's playing an Xbox 360 game in headphones and raging out. Oh, wow. Okay, rocks are tumbling down. Oh, what the hell? Okay, I have killed this woman, this witch, twice in Banjo Tooie and Banjo Kazooie. Look at how fat these guys are. Oh my goodness. Well, as you see, okay, so this is me. Well, when I jump, the entire ground shakes. Okay, let's go up here. So as you see, I have not really in Banjo's life, he's not a lot of pizza boxes and stuff. Okay, this is weird. And Banjo, I guess, didn't do any reservations to this house. I'm just gonna go up the road to see what that was. It's like, alright, we're fat, so let's do it anyways. I'm jumping, trying to make it over there. Okay, come on, let's do this. Oh jeez, I'm already tired as crazy. Wow. He's like, oh, that's weird. Alright, this person thinks she's gonna stop me again. Oh, wow. Alright, pause that. Oh, so a weird computer thing. Wow. Okay, so a weird computer is telling us now, oh, this is what you need to do, stuff. Okay, let's keep doing it. And yeah, I do know a few things about this game. I'm not sure if I'll be getting it to this round, but you do drive like weird mechanical boats or planes and like a lot of that stuff. That thing just turned me into a frog. Hey, computer, I'm not a frog, I'm Banjo Kazooie. Okay, well that computer just messed up. Just turned me into a frog and then turned me back into my fat self. Like, come on. Ready, go. Okay, great. What do you expect when a head is just... Not a bird's just road raging at this point. Banjo's like, don't worry, we're gonna take him out anyways. Okay. Computer's like, oh yeah, whatever. The head on the floor. That's the witch that died twice. But yeah, you do drive a lot vehicles, you do meet many new people. Oh, take that. Yeah. Like I'm telling you, Banjo and the bird are really in fit. I mean, that was sweet. That is just in fit, man. Like, they're in fit. Like as a kid, I always wanted to be Banjo. Like, those are the kind of car things you drive. Oh, great. She picks the sweet one and I get this crappy one? Well, what is that? That is not fair. But, as me, I still like to, okay, I'm just drive through there. But yeah, you do drive a lot. You do fly when you get to a lot higher level. You do go to a lot of levels and racing and different fast, fun things you can do. The one thing that really disappointed me about this game is I thought it was going to be like every other Banjo game, like Banjo Kazooie or Banjo Tooie. That's what I thought it was going to be. Oh, great! Oh, I just crashed. I almost hit a pig. Oh, whoa, no. This is not happening. I just crashed, and now 3 pigs in hula skirts and bras are looking at me like I just lost my mind. So that was weird. But yeah, kind of back what I was saying. I thought they were just going to make this same kind of Banjo game, just a lot more bigger, like a lot more levels, a lot more things to do. Don't get me wrong or anything. This is a fantastic game. This is just going like this is the new thing right now. But yeah, this game gets a lot more crazier of the stuff you're doing. So it's not like it's just this. Like, I spent many hours on this game already. Like, not in the last 2 years or anything, but I have spent a lot on this game. Yeah, I thought they were just gonna make it a lot more bigger and stuff. Oh. What the? She just kicks the poor little cat. How do you do that to a poor little cat? That cat was so nice. Oh my god! Okay. That was just one crazy cat. You see, that's why you don't tick off cats. It was just... Okay, now I'm running around. Throw this box over here. Drop the box in there. And Mumbo Jumbo guy here. Oh, he does his little crazy stuff there. Poof. Oh, great. So the same stuff I just got set with. And yeah, the good thing about this game is what I really love about this game. You get to build your own vehicles. And your own, like your own stuff. And that what just made me good about it. And yeah, the better you are, the better vehicle parts you're gonna have. Like, I could probably do it right now. Come on. So yeah, it's not just this. Like, you can build your own vehicles. You still go after the same stuff that you do go after. You still do the same stuff that you do. It's just, you're driving around now. And a lot of the same characters that we've seen over the years in Banjo, Kazooie and Banjo Tooie, you find them here. You know, it's not like you don't. Okay, good. I'm gonna drive it around. Why are you telling me how to drive? I know how to drive. Oh, shit. Maybe I don't know how to drive. Yeah, I'm gonna drive into the... Okay, oh, sorry, pig. I almost killed a penguin. Oh my god! Okay, this is not what to do on your learner's license, kids. Oh, jeez! Oh, I'm terribly sorry. I'm sorry about that. Oh, jeez, I just ran over her. Sorry, lady. I'm trying to drive up here. Okay, well, we're driving back up here because I want to. I'm driving up here. Ah! Okay, maybe I can't drive up there. Oh, you... Whoa, jeez. I'm gonna put this in here. There we go. Just randomly jumped in there. Okay, here we go. Here's the little box for you, man. Can you do this stuff for you? What? He just had his eyeballs in his hands and they just magically went up into this, like... Okay, so... Yeah, you got to color your parts. Like... Okay, I'm gonna try and do some stuff that you guys can see. Okay, I'm gonna stop this review right now because my phone's been acting up, and if I go over more than like 15-16 minutes, my phone really starts to get kind of heavy. So give me a second. Okay. But yeah, sorry you didn't get me to see me make my own stuff or do any crazy levels. But yeah, you do a lot of stuff on this game. Again, I would say this is 1 to 10. I would probably say it's a 9 to 10. Because yeah, there was a lot of things that I just loved about this game. There was a lot of things that I thought were gonna be in this game. Then, they took Banjo-Tooie and Banjo-Kazooie, the first Nintendo games, out for a spin, and they turned it into like a machine racing kind of stuff. But yeah, if they were to make a new Banjo-Kazooie, I would want them to make it like Nuts and Bolts and also Banjo-Kazooie and Banjo-Tooie in one giant game. I wish that, well, not wish, almost like a Santa wish. Oh, I wish for Christmas. No. But yeah, if they were to make a game like this, I would so put money on it, because Banjo-Kazooie as a kid was always fun, like Mario and Luigi and Zelda and Link and, you know, a lot of stuff like that. It was always fun stuff like that for me. But yeah, if you guys want me to play one of these games that I am reviewing a lot more, that you can see what more it's about than just what I'm doing, let me know. If you want me to just play around with it, I can do that too. But yeah, it would be around a 9, Banjo-Kazooie, Nuts and Bolts. So I would totally recommend it. It is a fun game, so it's not like it's not. I spent many hours on this game. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy your Friday. And yeah, if you guys want me to play around with one of these games I'm reviewing, just let me know. Or mention stuff that you want me to do, and I can do that too. So it's like I can't. So like I can. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy your Friday, and hope you guys like this one review as well. But I'll be doing a couple of reviews tomorrow. So hope to talk to you guys soon.